Are you looking for a way to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Well, look no further. In our upcoming video, we'll be sharing 7 expert tips on how to make money with online surveys. From signing up to multiple sites to knowing which rewards to look out for, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on this opportunity to start earning some extra income. If you're interested in the world of entrepreneurship and financial independence, make sure you join NetWealth by subscribing now so you don't miss out. Welcome to our video on making money with online surveys. Online surveys can be a great way to earn extra cash, whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for some extra income. Taking online surveys can be a flexible and easy way to make money. But with so many survey sites out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've put together this video to share with you the best tips and tricks for making the most money with online surveys. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to start earning extra cash today, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Let's be real, no one wants to put in the work for just pennies. That's why it's important to sign up for multiple survey sites. Think of it like diversifying your stock portfolio. The more survey sites you're a part of, the more opportunities you have to make money. Plus, it's always a good idea to have a backup plan in case one site suddenly stops sending you surveys or decreases their payouts. But let's say you're not a fan of filling out forms and creating multiple accounts. Well, I have some news for you. Most survey sites give you a sign-up bonus just for creating an account. So not only will you increase your chances of making more money, but you'll also get a little something extra for just doing the bare minimum. It's like getting paid for doing nothing. And let's be honest, who doesn't love getting paid for doing nothing? Signing up for multiple survey sites is like having multiple streams of passive income. You can sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. Just make sure you don't get too relaxed and forget to actually take the surveys. The more surveys you have, the higher the chances of winning. So go forth and multiply your survey accounts, and watch your bank account grow. But wait, how do you ensure that you're getting matched with relevant surveys and maximizing your earnings potential? The answer is by being honest when filling out your profile. Let's move on to tip number 2 and find out how. Listen up, folks. If you want to make the most money with online surveys, you got to be real with yourself and with the survey companies. Fudging the truth on your profile might seem like a good idea at first, but it'll only lead to frustration down the road. Think about it. If you tell a survey company you're a stay-at-home mom when you're really a bachelor party-loving beer-chugging dude, you're not going to match with surveys that are relevant to you. And let's be honest, answering questions about diaper brands and baby food is not the most exciting use of your time. On the other hand, if you're honest about your demographics, interests, and lifestyle, the survey companies will be able to match you with surveys that are relevant to you. Answering questions about your favorite beer brand and party games will be much more exciting than baby food. So let's be honest with yourself and with the survey companies. It may take a little bit longer to fill out your profile, but trust me, it's worth it in the long run. And who knows, you might even learn something new about yourself in the process. In short, honesty is the best policy, especially when it comes to making money with online surveys. Be real with yourself and with the survey companies, and watch the relevant and interesting surveys roll in. Great, now that we're getting matched with relevant surveys, how do we keep track of our earnings and figure out which survey sites are the most profitable? It's time to talk about the importance of keeping track of your earnings. It's like dieting. If you don't track your progress, how will you know if you're making progress or not? The same goes for making money with online surveys. Think about it. If you don't keep track of your earnings, you must be earning a decent amount, but you won't know which survey sites are the most profitable for you. And who wants to waste their time on a survey site that's only paying out pocket change when there are better options out there? So how do you keep track of your earnings? Well, you could use a spreadsheet, a notebook, or even a sticky note on your computer. Just make sure you're keeping track of how much you're earning from each survey site. And if you want to take it a step further, you can track how much time you're spending on each site so you can see which sites are giving you the most bang for your buck. In short, keeping track of your earnings is like keeping track of your diet. It helps you see the progress and make adjustments. Make sure you're keeping track of your earnings and time spent on each survey site and watch your bank account grow. Do you find this interesting and want to learn more about intriguing topics like these? Then make sure you leave a like and join NetWealth by subscribing. Now that we know how to track our earnings, which rewards should we be looking out for? Should we be going for points or going for cash? Let's talk rewards. I mean, who doesn't love a good reward? But when it comes to survey rewards, not all rewards are created equal. You see, some survey sites offer rewards in the form of points, while others offer cash or gift cards. And let's be real, who wants to accumulate 1,000,000 points just to redeem them for a $5 gift card? Cash or gift cards, on the other hand, are much more straightforward. You earn cash, you get cash. You earn a gift card, you get a gift card. It's that simple. Cash or gift cards are much more versatile than points. You can use cash to pay bills or splurge on something you've been wanting, and gift cards are great for shopping or dining out. So when looking for survey sites, be sure to check what kind of rewards they offer. If they offer points, ask yourself if you're willing to put in the time and effort for a small reward. But if they offer cash or gift cards, sign up and start earning. In short, when it comes to survey rewards, cash or gift cards are much better. You know exactly what you're getting and you can use it in many ways. Points, on the other hand, are like a scratch card. You never know what you're going to get, and sometimes it's not worth the effort. Great. Now that we know the difference between points and cash rewards, how do we avoid any potential scams or pitfalls when it comes to survey sites? Let's talk about the dark side of online surveys. You see, while there are many legitimate survey sites out there, there are also some not so legitimate ones. And who wants to waste their time and money on a scam? So how do you avoid these scammy survey sites? It's simple. Be wary of sites that require sign-up fee or ask for personal information. Legitimate survey sites will never ask you for money up front. They will only ask for the information they need to match you with relevant surveys. If a site is asking for your social security number or credit card information, run the other way. Another red flag is if a site promises you a lot of money for very little work. Let's be real, making money with online surveys is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to make a decent amount. So if a site promises you the moon and stars, it's probably a scam. When it comes to online surveys, trust your gut and be aware of red flags. Scammy survey sites are like a bad date. They'll ask for money or personal information and promise you the world, but only end up wasting your time and money. So be careful and stay away. Great, now that we know how to avoid scams, what do we do when we don't qualify for a survey, or when we're not consistent? We should talk about the real-life challenges of taking online surveys. See, not every survey is going to be a perfect match for you, and you may not qualify for some of them. And it can be frustrating when you spend time answering questions only to find out you don't qualify for the survey. But don't let it get you down, it happens to everyone, and it's just part of the process. The important thing is to keep trying and not get discouraged. There will always be another survey that you do qualify for. And when it comes to consistency, it's key to set aside dedicated time each day or week to take surveys. Treat it like a part-time job and you'll be much more likely to see results. Consistency is the key to success, whether it's taking in surveys or anything else. In short, taking online surveys can be a bumpy road, but with a consistent approach and a positive attitude, you'll reach your destination. Don't get discouraged if you don't qualify for a survey, and be consistent in your approach, and you'll be on your way to making some extra cash. To summarize, online surveys can be a great way to earn extra cash from home. To increase earning potential, sign up for multiple survey sites. Be honest when filling out your profile so it can be matched with relevant surveys. Keep track of your earnings and identify the most profitable survey sites. Cash or gift card rewards are much more versatile than points. Be wary of sites that require sign-up fee or ask for personal information. These may be scams. Don't be discouraged if you don't qualify for a survey. It happens to everyone. And consistency is key, so you need to set aside dedicated time each day or week to take surveys. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of making money with online surveys, and also avoid potential scams or pitfalls. Do you want to turn your passion into profit? Well, in this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to create and sell your own online course and start earning passive income. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, join NetWealth by subscribing now and hit like on our videos so you can see more of them.